Introducing ETS-RT 02A, a high-frequency RFID tag designed to simplify and modernize library operations. Built on the ICODE SLIX chip and operating on 13.56 MHz, this tag complies with ISO 15693 and ISO 18000-3 standards. Its compact 80 by 50 mm size makes it ideal for books, journals, magazines, and documents of all types. With up to 1 meter read range, it enables fast and contactless circulation, supporting automatic issue and return. The tag features anti-collision technology, allowing multiple tags to be read at once, along with real-time inventory and search capabilities. Engineered to last, it offers 50 years of data retention and 1 lakh write cycles, secured with 32-bit password protection. Its strong adhesive ensures reliable bonding to various surfaces, while the passive design supports multiple reads and writes. Perfect for public and private libraries, universities, bookstores, schools, file tracking, and document management systems. To digitize your library or document system, contact EcoTrack Systems, your trusted RFID partner.